First, extend the awning to the max position. Remove the 6 PCS screws from the motor head cover. Then remove the bolt from the motor head bottom cover. Use 2 wrenches to remove the 3 nuts which hold the motor. Disconnect the motor connector. When pull out the motor that needs to be replaced, the gears may turn, so please do not touch the gear by your hand. Install the new motor and tighten the 3 PCS nuts to fix the motor. Connect the connector. Reinstall the motor covers. Please note that the wire is not close to the gear. Finish the installation of the motor cover screws. It is completed.